welcome you to part 6. And today I would like to talk about positive thinking. How can you have positive thinking instead of negative thinking? What should you say? What should be your mantra every day? 1. Whatever life throws at me, I can handle it. Whatever life brings it, I have the capacity. I have what it takes to handle what life throws at me. I'm going to succeed. I'm going to be able to handle it, and I'm not going to give up. Number 2, today is going to be a good day. So no matter even when you wake up with the discouragement, you say this with confidence. Tell yourself, today is going to be a good day, and it will be a good day. That bad days come and they go. Tell yourself, yes, you are not doubting bad days it's a reality. But you say, bad days come and go. And even today, it will come and go. It will not be permanent. Number 4, I'm thankful for my experiences. They have helped me to grow. Whatever you have gone through, be happy that you have gone through those experiences. What you are calling bad days, bad experience, you, on the contrary, you say you are thankful for them. You are grateful for those experiences. They are helping you to grow, to become a better person, a person with patience, a person who can be able even to handle very difficult situations. You say thank you for this experience. Thank you for the failure, which people can call a failure. It's going to make me achieve my life dreams. 5th, you say I am happy and relaxed. No matter even if the situation is whatever, I am happy. I'm not going to accept situations of sadness, and I am not going to be sad. I am going to be happy, and I'm going to be relaxed. I'm not going to carry baggages. I'm not going to carry problems. I'm not going to sleep with the problems. I'm not going to walk with the problems. I am happy and relaxed. 6th, I continue to thrive and grow. I am not going to be stagnant. I'm going to move ahead and achieve many things in my life. Yes, I'm going to continue to thrive. I'm not going to be stagnant. 7, the past is behind me as the future is bright. The past is gone, and I feel the future is bright. Look forward to the future, and you look at the future with confidence. You say, I'm sure the future is bright, and it will be bright. Number 8, I'm enough. I have enough. Number 9, I'm surrounded by love and care. I have no room for hatred. I have no room for discouragement. Yes. And finally, you say, I'm doing my best, and my best is enough. I'm doing my best to fight these negative thoughts, and it is going to work. And if you have this mantra, these convictions, these statements, and they become a part of you, remember, when you try to practice something for 3 weeks, for 21 days, it will become a habit. And if you continue for 90 days, it will become a lifestyle. Always remember that. So thank you very much for listening to this video on positive thinking. I would encourage you to have positive thinking in your lives, and things will be very different. You move from this negativity to positive thoughts. Thank you very much. It's Muteru Kwaru, your family therapist and a relationship coach. I wish you well. Have a great day. Adios.